Hi, Healthy Squad. So today we're gonna make a quick and easy oatmeal for breakfast. Let's get started. We're gonna start and make this oatmeal for breakfast. So the first thing we do is a half a cup of oats, a tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of I'm using cashew milk, but you can use regular milk. I pour it in, then pinch of salt, then a shake of pumpkin spice, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. Then you stir it right here. And then you will have to microwave it for 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes, and the berries for 20 seconds. I will be right back. Now I'm gonna stir it, then I'm gonna pour the berries on, then the honey, and then I usually don't like oatmeal, but we're gonna try it. Oh my God, yeah. Like and subscribe, so bye Healthy Squad. Mwah.